Hi beauties, it's Ray here. I am so blown away by this look. I have done half of my face and decided to do a tutorial for all of you on the other half. And this all started from inspiration from this really adorable orchid color top. And I know it's winter, but I was like, I don't care. It's actually 70 degrees and sunny in Asheville. And I wanted some color and some vibrancy into my wardrobe because I am a little rule breaker. And I think this is still a very fall wardrobe. I actually am surprised at the color combination that I put together here, and I think you will be too, but this makes for a gorgeous eyeshadow quad. So if you don't know, you can actually customize any eyeshadow quad with Lime Life, okay? They're magnetic eyeshadows that come like in a pan, and there's little holes so that you can pop them out and replace them. So I will list all the colors that I used, and let's just get started so you guys can take a peek here. So the first thing that we're gonna wanna do is go onto the eyelid. And we're gonna use number 16, which is called Radio Star. This is a really deep brown, and we're gonna smoke it up. Mostly in this outer corner. I'm gonna blend it up a little bit. And then we'll go ahead and pop a black eyeliner on the inner rim. And I love this. So you can have it really like, you know, in the inner rim here with the black for that nighttime or intense look. And then if you want something natural for daytime, this is a neutral pencil that will actually brighten the whole eye area and make your eyes look really big. It's great for smaller eyes, especially. Okay, so then I'm gonna use this really beautiful silvery shade, which I rarely ever use silvers, but I felt inspired to pop a little bit of this guy. This is called Radio Star, okay? And so just to give you a sneak peek at the ones we've used so far, this one, and now we're using the silver. And I like to use a little brush like this when I want it placed and not blended, because it's gonna be just the perfect fit. And then I'm gonna go in on the other side and pop a little bit of Gilded Lily, which is this really pretty lilac shade, and we're actually gonna do that on the inside here. And I'm gonna lift these up a little bit into the crease, so you'll wanna actually blend each color a little bit into the crease. Okay, and then we can take our smoky eyeshadow brush here. And first, I almost forgot, I want to use just a little bit of concealer. I'm using concealer number 2. And I'm painting this on. So get rid of all the dark circles. Can take this, go up here, and then for that 4th color in your eyeshadow quad, you can either make that a brow color, you can make it a black if you don't have a black and you like to do smoky eyes. It's really up to you. I'm only using 3 shades at the moment, but if you like a shimmer highlight, you can do that. I would recommend, if you do, using Sweet Dreams, which is this color, for a shimmer highlight. I'm gonna leave it matte, and if you want to set it, you can use Cream Boat, which is almost like a white matte light shade. Okay, you could also go in with Pineapple of My Eye, which is really a neutral, but it has more of a golden undertone. Okay, super smoky. Now the key to get this look poppin' is grabbing the Claim to Frame brow pencil and really going in and getting that dramatic look. So I'm actually going in and filling my brows. I'm gonna make my brows really full. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. I'm going fuller than my natural. I like a really dramatic brow, so this is up to your discretion. You make little flicks going up, pull it over, comb through. Okay. This is like your mini little eye lift. I like to pull my brow up and kind of connect like a straight line too. Okay, then I can take this right here, my favorite brush, this is brush 18, and I love how natural it blends my foundation on. I just dip it right in. Shinto 1. Okay, now this is the fun part to me. Grape, super dark, might look intimidating, but look how gorgeous this goes on. So I like to go on the outside, blend in, press them together like that so that I have symmetry. And this is how you can get like that nice ombre look. I'm using our like 3-time sellout Ruby Chocolate. It's a really beautiful neutral mauve-y shade. And then I can go in with my blush brush and a live one. And a little mascara and you are all good to go. Okay, I hope you like these tips. Oh, that's brown. I don't want brown. Definitely don't want brown. I do want black. Okay. Here we go. There we go. I didn't even do eyeliner on the top. You could totally do it if you want, but I wanted the drama underneath because I felt like that really made a difference today. All right, I hope that you like this, try this. Be sure to reach out if you have any questions, and yeah, enjoy this look.